As you can see behind me, there is a large herd of camels grazing in the Swakop River mouth area, and these camels form part of a tourism activity where people can actually go and pay a fee, and they can go ride camels, guided camel tours in the Namib Desert, which is just there behind me, further away. Go riding up the river, go a bit into the dunes, and experience what it's like to ride a camel. But besides that, we still have the camels forming part of Swakopmund's fauna and flora, in a sense. So this is quite a sight to see these animals here. They're not part of Namibia. They were imported here, and now they actually form a very important part of Swakopmund's tourism activities, holiday activities too. Holidays are coming up, you know. Make sure you go ride a camel. So I'm currently here at what some call the Swakopmund or the Swakop River wetland area. Others call it a Swakopmund or the Swakop River mouth lagoon.